Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool pop-up card designed by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. So here's the card, and you open it up, and it's the sun. And this is supposed to be water here, the card. And you open this up, and this is the reflection of the sun on the water. Isn't that cool? But there's more. If you unfold these two sides here, it's a person, and you can make it look like he's sitting there. And yeah, and I think this is a really cool model. And you can go back to this part, the reflection of the sun on the water, and you tuck the flap under there, and there's the sun. And yeah, and here's this tutorial right here. And I want to show you a variation that I came up with myself recently. This is my variation. This is a sunset pop-up card. See? So this is the card, and you open it up, and there's the sunset, and you just unfold the flap, and this is the reflection of the sun on the water. Yep, and I'll show you how to make this probably in a few days or so in one of my tutorials this week. And yeah, and you can click right here for that when it's available. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.